was-Salaam ala Rasulillah. Today, I want to express my heart about Islam ended racism. Let me explain why, my brothers. Because of La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. This was the strength of Islam. See, my brothers, Sahaba, now this may sound nice and pretty. You need to understand, Sahaba were like us. They made mistakes. There was hiccups, but they were the men who were very quick to patch it up and to fix it up. After one of the battles, there was a lot of booty of war. Sahaba got together and they are having discussion amongst one another. How are we going to distribute this? So each companion speaks his mind, and Abu Dahr radiallahu ta'ala anhu, who was an Arab, a very staunch Arab, he gave his opinion, and then Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu, who used to be a black slave. When it got to Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu says, "Look, Abu Dahr, I do not really agree with your opinion. I think this is what we should do so." Abu Dahr radiallahu ta'ala anhu became so angry. He says, even you, you son of a black woman, and you are going to disagree with me? Big words. Big words. Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu got so cut in his heart. He picks himself up and he rushes to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Let's pause here for a second. Let's speak of the language of the boys now, yeah? As we concurred on the street, what did Bilal do? Going to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam to tell him what had happened according to our language. What did Bilal do? Itche, which is that. Okay? See, my brothers, they didn't have disease in their hearts like we have today. So that I don't snitch, I will hate on the brother for the next 25 years. No problem, but they were the men who were very quick to patch it up and to fix it up. He rushes to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He says, "O Prophet of Allah, this is what Abu Dahr told me this." Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he stormed out of the house. He rushes to Abu Dahr radiallahu ta'ala anhu. He grabs Abu Dahr radiallahu ta'ala anhu with a fury in his eyes. And he says, "Abu Dahr, you are the man who still have jahiliyyah in his heart. You are the man who still have ignorance in his heart." Abu Dahr radiallahu ta'ala anhu buckles and buckles. How do you think he deals with it? You think he grabbed a few of his boys, go chase down Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu? Really? Look, listen bro, all jokes aside, don't we talk about Sahaba? Don't we claim that we love them? Don't we say that they are our idols? Let's see how they deal with it. Abu Dahr radiallahu ta'ala anhu rushes into the street of Medina looking for Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and he finds Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu in the street of Medina. And he rushes you, Bilal. He falls on the floor. He puts his hand down on the floor and he says, "I will not, by Allah, I will not off my hand until you step on them with your foot." And let's be known to the people of Medina that who of us is dishonored and who of us is honored. One, what do you think Bilal do? "Come here, you little." No. Then there it was finished, done, sealed, dusted. He gets down and he kisses Abu Dahr radiallahu ta'ala anhu and he says, "I forgive you for the sake of Allah." Done, brother, sealed. Where is that love gone, bro? Where is that muhabba gone? All we have in each other, man, all we have is each other. Instead of loving. You know what don't I get? It used to be back in the days like, I understand the streets were us and them. And your area and my area and these children and those children. So the poison has become, it's actually even in deen now. It's in deen now. This sheikh of his crow, that sheikh of his crow, this center, that center, this masjid, that masjid. Allahu Akbar, what's going on? What's going on? What sunnah are you following? What sunnah is this? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "We are brothers. We are brothers. This ummah is like one body. And when a part of body hurts, who feels it? The whole body feels it. Like a brother who sells cocoa on the street. Yeah, we can sit here. Bad mouths him all day, but he's my brother and he's a part of this body. And when he hurts, I hurt." This is Islam. This is how Sahaba deals with one another. He says this ummah is like one body. And when a part of body hurts, the whole body stays up in night in favor and in pain. I want to ask you something, right? If I would bring this planky here, whatever, man, I fall on the floor, I break it, I cut it off, whatever. What logic, what justice? This finger is from this hand and this arm is deprived to sleep. You know why? Because of this finger is from this hand and this hand is on this arm and this arm is attached to this whole body. And many other parts are also attached to this whole body. And this is what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is saying.